So today I have a little bit of an interesting video. Now, I'm going to move my chair. Now, I'm cleaning my keyboard currently. Well, I already cleaned this. And my keycaps I'm waiting for them to dry. So I have all the keycaps, or all the keys without any keycaps. Meaning that they're just the stem, which are Cherry MX, or not Cherry MX, but the Razer Reds. By the way, this keyboard, I don't really like it, but, whatever. So I'm going to try playing Minecraft with just these keys, without the keycaps. So, first thing I want to try is, I want to try some, building. So if I grab some packed ice, I want to make a packed ice road all the way to the other island, all the way to the jail. Now I'm not going to do that obviously this time, but okay, well that sucks. Anyways, so it's fine with building. I mean, obviously I still prefer the keycaps. They're not sharp. These aren't sharp. They don't look great on the camera. I don't know if I get them closer you can see. I know what I can do. I'm going to load up Razer Synapse. Razer Synapse, if you don't know, is probably the worst lighting app to ever exist. And I'm going to turn off the LEDs. That way you can see it better. Oh, wow. Okay, well that you still didn't load up the app. The more and more I have this keyboard, I've had it for 3-ish months. The more and more I hate it. I really, to be honest, I don't like this keyboard. I'd say I don't like it because it's not a good keyboard. No. I would never say that it's not a good keyboard. I think it's a great keyboard. It's just a little, there we go. It's a little dimmer. So as you can see, each of these little things, these are called stems. So, or switches. So these switches, basically, this is what holds your keycaps, and that's what makes the sound of your keyboard. So if I get it closer to my mic, that is similar to the sound it would usually make with the keycaps on. But obviously they just make this sound when the keycaps aren't on. So yeah, that's a little keyboard history, or not history, but explanation for you. So typically people will build their own keyboards because you can get whatever switch you want, whatever you like. And a lot of these big keyboards like Razer and Corsair, and they just have Cherry MX switches, which are great switches, but aren't typically always the feel that everybody wants. Like a lot of people like Romer G or Gateron or Kale. Yeah, different types of switches are important. I got this keyboard because it syncs up lighting with my headphones, which in hindsight I should have just done it a Logitech keyboard so that I could sync up lighting with my mouse, but it's whatever. Now it's a decent keyboard. Typing, here, let me try and type. That'll be a good test. Frick off, you stupid zombie. Typing will be a good test because it'll prove how much I actually know where the keycaps are. My name is Xavier. I am So yeah, as you can see, I remember where all the keycaps are, or where all the keys are, because I've just been using keyboards so long. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I thought it was an interesting video, so if you liked, let me know. And if you want to see anything more with a keyboard with no keycaps, let me know, because I could definitely do that every time I clean my keyboard.